I think we're gonna go up more. It's gonna connect into this again. I'll show you. Watch, come on.
You got it right here along the bank. Try not to go in the water all the way down.
We're on a business trip.
We're on a business trip, huh?
And we're...
What are we delivering? Delivering sandstone to all of our customers up here, huh? We saw this awesome dirt road and we took it to get some energy out of the buggers, huh? Alright, go. Get some energy out. I'll go see that again. Better explain that my Milwaukee bag is actually all my batteries and tools for my rock crawlers, huh? So they don't think I'm just carrying around my drill. I'm gonna fix some rocks. You got it, Gannon? Barely hanging on.
Okay, we've made it as far as we can before we need water, huh? Turning back and we'll go somewhere new, right?
Yeah.
Day 2 on our trip. We had to cut that other canyon short. Mainly because we really weren't planning on going on a hike. So we didn't take any water. We were just trying to get the boys' jitters out. What did you say?
Film that.
Holy wow, waterfall.
Are we seeing where it comes from?
We can.
After this? Okay.
You want to know something? This is not a natural waterfall. Nope. This is man-made.
Look at me. Nice.
This way or that way? Oh.
Careful.
I can feel it.
I can feel it. Mom can feel it.
Guys, do not even put your hands in that.
Oh, I bet it's so cold. Coming right from those mountains.
If
Snow.
Put your hand in the ice. You're wrong. It's way too still. Touch the water. It turns like you're there still. Right, Mom?
Yeah.
Goodbye.
I bet fish are in here. Oh, that's nice. Put glass on you.
Okay.
Whoa,
This is where you have to be very careful.
that's a glass.
Go right there.
Off on you.
Yeah. Go right through right here. Very careful.
I don't want
Oh, look, there's a spot. You can feel how cold it is. You want to touch how cold it is? Go ahead. It's okay.
Cold.
How cold is it?
There. Touch it with the camera.
Yeah, right.
Here, boys. Boys, come here.
Oh, that's cold.
Oh, Thorn, slow.
I got it.
Oh.
Look at that waterfall. Wow.
I am not getting any closer.
No. Right there.
Wow. Don't get closer.
What do you think?
That dirt could wash away. Don't get closer.
What's that?
Lauren.
What do you think, Gannon?
Good, really good. I think it's too dangerous.
It's what?
I think it's too dangerous
Too dangerous for what?
to go swimming in.
Yeah, it's way too dangerous to go swimming in. Way too cold. I've never seen so much water coming out of that.
Go ahead, go up that very carefully.
That way?
Lauren.
Go to the other
See
side.
that?
What's in there? Whoa.
Okay, so this is the river above the waterfall.
Before it gets pumped up and over.
Yep. Look, you can see the mountains where it's melting from. This is the back of the waterfall. See it?
Yes, but we still can't hop in there.
Alright, Lauren, ready? The water comes down from the mountain. They built this dam. It's an irrigation dam. It hits it, goes into here. Underneath this, all this concrete, is a big, giant turbine. A big pump. And it pumps the water up and over that mountain. And that waterfall you saw, up to this pump. And when they don't pump, it goes down. The rest of it goes down. You know how this works? This lock here, take the lock off, pull this off, and they have a big wheel. They put the wheel on it, and they turn it. If they turn it to the left, it makes this go up, and it opens up a door. And that door lets most of the water go down the river. But see how it's all the way down? They've got that door shut, and this door all the way open. The water comes through here, doesn't go down the river, goes into the pump. That pump takes the water up and over the mountain. How does what?
How does a little bit?
Because they have the door open just a little bit, see? You can't see it because it's underwater. See, look, that's what the door looks like. See how that was almost all the way open? Because they put most of the water in Kings Lake. Cool, huh? Go ahead.
Thanks for subscribing, if you will. Hope you watch another one of our videos. Bye.
Alright, thanks for watching. Yep, we're gonna be after this hitting lunch and probably heading home.